Vidya Hinge, Assistant Professor, Vilasrav Deshmukh College of Agricultural Biotechnology, Latur. Today we will see important technique of plant tissue culture, that is micropropagation. So nowadays plant tissue culture has been popularly used to produce a sexually reproducible plant by vegetative reproduction. So the plant tissue culture technique is widely used to produce large number of disease-free planting material. The success of in vitro selection and the genetic manipulation technique is depend on the plant tissue culture, because the after the different breeding methods and the transgenic technique, we should have a plant regeneration system ready for the regeneration of entire plant and production of the multiple plantlets. So today we will see important technique, that is micropropagation. Micropropagation basically is the clonal propagation in vitro. What is clone? Clone is the twig, spray or a slip like those broken off as a propagules for the multiplication. So the micropropagation is also called as a clonal propagation in vitro. Clonal propagation in vitro. So the clone word commonly used to represent the large number of plantlet which is derived from the individual single X plant, and the single cell culture, protoplast culture are also used for the production of the specific plant single cell. So the clone, it is also represent the plantlet which are derived either from the single cell protoplast or a single specific X plant. So when we see the stages of the micropropagation, there are the five stages of micropropagation. In stage 0, that is the selection of an allied mother plant. So in first stage, we need to select the mother plant from which we want to produce a plantlet, and the true to type disease free specific variety we have to select in that and maintain at a specific location. Then in a stage 1, we select the X plant, surface sterilize that X plant and put on the nutrient medium under aseptic condition. You can see this is the nutrient medium. Under such nutrient medium we have to put the X plant. So X plant, it is either shoot bud or the shoot tip. So you can see here, this is the shoot bud and shoot tip. So in the first stage we can use that take a X plant, surface sterilize it, put it on a nutrient medium under aseptic condition for the establishment. In the second stage, that particular X plant, that particular shoot tip is transferred into the shoot multiplication medium or the proliferation medium, where we use the auxin and cytokinin hormone for the shoot initiation. And in the stage 2, you have the production of the multiple plantlets. So after the production of multiple plantlets from one single plant, we have a production of 6 to 7 plantlets, and that single plant again used up to 6 to 7 cycles. So in the stage 2, multiple plantlets are produced from the single plant, and such a single plantlet, single shoot is transferred into the rooting medium, where we use the auxin and the cytokinin hormones for the root initiation. And in stage 4, that is a hardening stage, where the entire plantlet which is formed, shoot and root, and that plantlet is transferred into the automated greenhouse for the acclimatization into the natural condition. So that is the stage 4. So these are the 5 stages of the micropropagation. So what are the advantages of micropropagation? Advantages of micropropagation, like using this micropropagation technique, a true to type and disease-free planting material is produced, because we select the X plant and we use that X plant, surface sterilize it. So the plantlet which are formed that are under aseptic condition, that are free from any kind of disease. Then the large number of plantlet can be obtained in short span of time. So large number of plantlet, about 10 lakh plants can be obtained in about 6 months. So when we are commercially planting the orchards, different horticultural crops, sugarcane and bamboo, so in that case large number of plantlet can be obtained. Then the very small amount of initial X plant is required. So in case of like plantlet which we produce vegetatively, sugarcane, bamboo. So we need a large amount of planting material. So here very small amount of initial explant is used and a large number of plantlet will be produced. Then this micropropagation technique is also used for the seed production, germplasm storage, and the plantlet which are derived from the micropropagation. They can be easily used for the foreign exchange. So these are the advantages of the micropropagation. Thank you.